this is the review I'm doing. I purchased some products from Butterfly Bliss. So this time I ordered some oils from her. Let me open up the package here. So this is what the bag she put it in. Isn't that cute? So Fonze has put great care of packaging her products and stuff. Now I'm going to show you the first one that I opened. The other one I didn't open yet. And that's what it looks like. I like her products, y'all. Before I brought their body butter, and it smelled so good, and I still have a little bit left. It's long lasting. It was affordable. Okay, one is the butterfly swirl, and it's a roll-on. Yeah, so her company is Butterfly Bliss by Fonze, and they say shake it first. I think this is the Butterfly Bliss. So we put it on his arm. This is a nice size here. It's affordable. And you know, you may want to still purchase some things right after the holidays. It smells so pretty. And these fragrances, you can tell it's custom mix. It doesn't smell like anybody else's oils. She put her card in here. Let me show you her card. She doesn't tell me to do these reviews. She doesn't even know that I'm doing it. And she's in business for herself, and I appreciate her and her products. So I can't really describe this fragrance. It's not super sweet. It's just right. It's just right. So again, this is what it looks like. So now I'm about to try the next one. And the next one is the coconut sugar. And that's in the roll-on also. So this one, she has well packaged. She's very thoughtful. She'll email you and she'll say, did anything leak out, or, you know. And I haven't had anything to leak out yet. Actually, this is my second purchase. And I will continue to order from her. So this one has a dropper. Yeah, this one is. The other one was a roll-on. This has a dropper. Oh, this is a nice size. And that's what it looks like. Nice size. It's going to last me a long time. Let me try it on the other hand. Arm, rather. In a few drops. I hope y'all rub it in. I think I like this one the best. I like the other one too, but this smells so good. It reminds me of like a pina colada. Oh, that smells good. And these fragrances, you know, sometimes we buy those oils off the street, and they smell good. I'm not going to take anything from them. They smell good. But have y'all noticed sometimes the middle of or the end of the day they kind of smell a little funky smelling? And just keeping it real. These don't smell like that. It gives you a nice clean smell. You can put as much as you want or as little as you want. Oh, look at my, I got to fix these ashy arms. This is just right for that. So if you have some ashy arms like I do, look at that. Drop a little of this stuff up here. Rub it in. Yeah, my favorite is that coconut one. I might have to get that again. It's the coconut sugar, and it's a dropper. She got in here some other stuff here. Her free samples. That's always nice. Oh my goodness. Let me see if she put what that is. Oh man. I don't know what that is. I'm gonna have to get in touch with her and find out what that is in this little sample. That smells so good. It smells like lemon lime and it's mixed with something else. That smells so good. I don't know if that's the body butter or whether it's... She has stuff you can take a bath into. This is fabulous, Fonze, if you're watching, which I don't think you are. This is fabulous. Ooh. This smells like lemon and lime. Let's try the next one. I think this is a body butter too. It's a light scent. It's not real strong. Let me see. This smells really pretty too. But I like that lime one better. Fonze, do you have this in a bigger... Ooh, look at my hand. Do you have this in a bigger package, girl? Maybe after the holidays. I'm kind of broke right now. But let me know if you have that like in the size of the body butter that I brought before. I like that lime smell. She got something else in here. I think this is a soap or something. I'm not sure. That's beautiful too. So y'all go over there, check her out. When I see people on YouTube, and if I buy something from them, I'll do my review on my own. Sometimes I might not be able, may not have the time to do it, but she's a young woman and she has a nice business that she started for herself. And her prices are reasonable, but don't go over there telling her that you need to bring your prices down, because these people work hard creating these products. Is expensive putting this stuff together. I've seen her videos where she's working on the labels and all that stuff. She puts a lot of time, she puts a lot of money in it. And like I said, it's affordable, but please check her out. But don't be, oh, you need to bring down your prices. No, you shouldn't. Nope. Sometimes people looking for a freebie. If you can't afford it, just maybe not get it now. Get it when you have some money. It takes a lot of money to have a business. Even the paper, the labels, even the bottles, And see, stuff like this, would make a nice gift. And like I said, I'm not going to say what the price is. You go over there and look. I'm going to list her website down in the description box. Okay. So this is it for Butterfly Bliss by Fonze. Okay. And she is the Diary of Fonze here on YouTube. She's a young lady. I really, really like her. I really do. So that's it, y'all. I just wanted to share these products with you, and I will be coming back soon. Maybe next week. Maybe by the end of next week, I'll come back with some more videos. But they're not going to be real long because y'all know I'm going to be busy, you know. Okay, I love y'all. Have a blessed day.